In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan this vehicle, how to interpret data, and how to test. Another thing, I'm going to show you how to test that sensor using the multimeter. The last one, I'm going to show you how to locate the sensor and how to fix it. Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now, I have Toyota Hilux of 2016. This vehicle has a problem with ABS light. Let me show you. The ABS, the off-road handbrake is okay. So handbrake light is okay. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. Look very careful. The four-wheel drive is flashing on the dashboard. But today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve these three: the ABS, the off-road, and check engine on the dashboard. First, I'm going to scan this vehicle using this is the gadget I'm going to use so that we identify the main fault code. First, I'm going to plug in the PD2 cable like that. Toyota. Okay. Please wait. Still connected to the vehicle, so you need to be very patient. Then from Japan, not Europe. Select area, Japan. Okay. Auto search. So now searching, please wait. 2017. Exactly, did the Hilux Japan 2017 2GD engine. Okay. Still searching. Still downloading the files, so I need to wait. Those are files though under ABS or unlock brake system. Then read the fault code. The fault code is C1406, which is open or short in front speed sensor LH circuit. Number 2 is open or short front speed sensor LH circuit. History current. So the problem is front left speed sensor. So first I want to clear this fault code from the system. Let me clear it first before we conclude the sensor has a problem. Like that. Okay, still the same. You can't clear that fault code, meaning there is a problem, either the open circuit between the ABS and speed sensor, or the speed sensor itself or ABS. So I'm going straight to the left. This is the left front speed sensor. So this is the wire. I'm going to remove that cable so that we test using a multimeter. This is the sensor I'm talking about. So I'm going to test this sensor using a multimeter to confirm if there is an open circuit or there is a problem with that sensor. So I'm going to put my multimeter on the continuity so that we test the open circuit. So let's see. Let me test the continuity. The continuity shows infinity, meaning there's a problem with the open circuit or sensor itself. Let me do it again. Nothing. So after going through that wire, I find out that there is an open circuit. So I'm going to use that gun to solder the open places like that. I'm going to use a solder gas to make sure that wire is intact. So right now I'm done. So I'm going to secure that place with a masking tape. I think we are done. So let me test again to make sure it's okay. Let me see. Is 1.369, which means the problem was an open circuit. Let me test the signal from the ABS, the 2 volts, the dim one. Look very careful. then the 12 volts. So the signal from the ABS is okay. So I think right now everything is okay. I'm going to plug in the socket like that, then to make sure those wires are well placed. Like that, so I'm going to secure with the bolt to make sure everything's tied. I think we are done. So after doing that, I'm going to use my Diagzone machine so that we confirm right away from here. So auto search, okay, reading files. So I'm going to live data so that we confirm if that ABS is okay. If you don't do that, sometimes the ABS can be okay, but the problem is the turn or the ABS hub read. This is the fault code we are dealing with, so it's still in the system, but let's clear the fault code right away. So right now we don't have any fault code in the system. Let me read it again. There's no any fault code in the system. Let me go back. I'm going to live stream like this. So I'm going to pick the ABS front left speed sensor like that. Then okay. So I'm going to rotate the front left hub. See, it's counting, meaning the main problem was this an open circuit between the ABS and ABS sensor. Let's see the graph. Yes, even the ABS turn hub is okay. Now we have confirmed everything's okay, so I'm going back to the cabin. So I'm going to show you everything's working perfect. The handbrake, engaged, disengaged, engaged, disengaged. See, it's working perfect. Let me start the vehicle. See, everything's working perfect. So right now everything's working perfect. There's not those lights on the dashboard. See, let me put ignition off so that you confirm. Let me put ignition on. The ABS after reporting, then the handbrake. Yes, so right now everything's working perfect. The check engine, let me start the vehicle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.